University of Manchester is known for the professional course on reliability engineering and asset management. This course is completely for the professional maintenance engineers. So we covers all the requirement of the professional engineers working in the industry, shopping malls, and looking after the maintenance work. So Industry 4 seems to be the next stop for enhancing the reliability and maintenance activity. So we are also covering the Industry 4 activity in our course Reliability Engineering and Asset Management, MSc course for the professional engineers. So we are also highlighting one industry may be having many plants at different places, how Industry 4 approach in using Internet of Things can share the knowledge and can able to solve the problems effectively. So I know this is still in the very beginning of Industry 4 things, but it seems to be the future of any industrial sectors, especially considering the maintenance is one of the important aspects of any plant after production. Thank you very much.